If you find yourself downloading images with the same dimensions over and over, a download preset can really save you a lot of time in Canto. Let's learn how to set one of these up. Let's hover over our avatar and then go to the settings and then choose configuration options. Now click on download presets. On this screen, you can see a number of download presets that are built right into Canto as a starting point to make exporting for social services easy. But let's say that we need to set our own up. Occasionally, I need to download images with certain dimensions to use on my WordPress blog, for example, and the preview images always need to be exactly 1500 by 1000 pixels. To set that up, I'm going to go ahead and type in 1500 pixels in the width box and 1000 pixels in the height box. I'm going to click the lock icon so that the aspect ratio stays locked in. I'll also go ahead and give it a name and description so that I can remember exactly what this preset is used for when I go to download a file. Finally, I'll tick both portals and library to make this download preset available whether I'm working in a library or a client is downloading the file in a portal. Now, let's jump back to the Canto library and click on an image to open it. Let's click on the download icon above the image. On this drop-down box, we'll want to choose the download preset from the drop-down, then press download to download the image. The downloaded version of the image has been resized to the dimensions that we set in our download preset. Download presets don't include cropping, so they depend on the aspect ratio of the original image to be the same as your original file. Thanks for watching.